business unit head has called for a board meeting.
If we want to stay ahead of the game, we need to bring in changes.
Everyone in the room agrees. The head of advanced manufacturing interjects.
What sort of changes? Let's set our priorities first.
Makes sense. Let's scribble them down.
Meanwhile, the head of indirect procurement is busy checking his notes from a meeting he earlier had with Solulever. The CFO begins.
Cutting the cost of manufacturing should be our top priority.
And the head of manufacturing operations adds in quickly.
We must look at improving our takt times and manufacturing process adherence.
And the list grows. The business head concludes.
Good. Now we have a clear picture.
But his contentment is short-lived.
And what about our functional needs?
Okay, let's pen them down as well.
The Chief Information Officer hates the gloom in the room. The secretary walks in with more coffee, much needed fuel. Head of indirect procurement is sifting through the Solulever catalog. The coffee does its job.
We need a way to connect the machines to get the right data sets.
I have a suggestion. Should we take a look at Solulever?
Not another cloud solution provider, I hope.
Doesn't seem so. Their platform called Bravo is unlike anything I've seen so far.
Okay, let's see what Solulever can bring to the table.
Here are some of their out-of-the-box features.
So, we can connect our machines without integration challenges.
Yes, and also equipment like weighing scales, barcode scanners, etc.
Nice. So that sorts connectivity with ERP and other systems.
Connecting is one thing, but we would also need to create mashups of machine and ERP data.
Looks like Bravo's contextualization engine covers that as well.
That is quite tricky to pull off. It will be great if they can do that.
What about analytics and reporting? We need great dashboarding to track KPIs.
There you go.
So it's all edge-based. We don't need to spend a bomb on cloud-based data lakes then.
Right, however they do have a Cloud Connect interface as well, so you can decide which data goes to the cloud and which stays at site level.
Well, it could help save unnecessary replication, and we can craft our data strategy globally as well as at site level based on use cases.
And will it not cost us a fortune to install this at every site, including the smaller ones?
Fortunately not. They follow a site-level license model without any dependency on the size or scale of the plant. Secondly, Bravo provides full flexibility to build new analytics and use cases at no additional license cost.
But we will need to assess how easy it is to build new use cases and analytics on Bravo.
Bravo is based on open source components, therefore it's easy to use by our IT teams and outsourcing vendors.
So they seem to be moving away from proprietary thinking. It was about time someone thought about it.
That sounds like a single answer to all our needs.
I feel it may be worth exploring this further with Solulever.
Yes, definitely.
This time, procurement is ahead of us.
Yeah, like always.
It's always good to wrap up a meeting with laughter.
Hoi, Solu!